So I love these diamond paintings. They're fun. I find them fun to do. I bought a couple of them already. This company sent me this one to try out. They gave it to me. My opinions are my own. I really loved the design of the picture, so you can see what the picture is going to look like here. I'm going to show you how easy these are to do. So basically everything comes in the box. And what I like to do is I like to actually put this out and then put books on it and something to flatten it, give it a little flatter. This helps it flatten it out a little bit. Then I'll get my own separate little plastic bags that seal, because once you open these beads, they don't reseal. So I get my own little plastic bags and put the numbers on them and the codes. Codes are really easy. The codes are right here. It's basically 1 through 10, 9, but then once you get to 10, then 10 is A. So you're going to see little A's in here, little N's, little C's, and you're going to match the actual number with the code. So the other thing this comes with a couple pins. That's great that they come with the diamond pins. This little container is great to keep because you can put them in there. And then this is the wax. So what you're actually going to do with the wax is you're going to take the pin and you want to just peel this back just a little bit, and you want to just get a little bit of wax in there. That's going to help to, you're going to put a little bit of wax in there. That's going to help to stick the beads to the pin. Then once the beads are in here, you're just going to pop them. You just pop them like that, and then you just put each bead on each color like that. Now, another little pro tip that I like to do is I like to peel this back. So I'm a lefty, so I start on the right side because my hand's going to drag across it like that, right? But if you're a righty, then start on this side. So I'll just peel back, and I'll start with these colors up here, and I just peel it back, and then when I'm done, I pop it back over there, and I leave it there. And as I go, I just keep peeling back a little more and a little more, but I leave the peel on because I feel like if I took the whole entire peel off, then dust and dirt could get on it, and it might make it less sticky. So that's pretty much how I do it, and that is the diamond pin. And maybe when I finish this, I'll do another video and show you what it looks like done.